everyone, Amanda here. I'm just here sharing a purchase that I've made, and I've purchased these from the lovely Leslie. Now her surname is spelled S-K-A-A-R, and I don't know if there's an A on the end, but I can't pronounce it. I don't know how you say it, so I'm not going to ruin her name. Now Leslie is a Oriflame representative in the UK. This is her Facebook page, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. I try wherever I can to support small businesses. Leslie's supported me before in mine, and so when I got opportunity to make a purchase from Leslie, I did so. And some things were on offer, so I thought, oh, I'll have some of those, and just show a little bit of support. And you know, I do keep my eye on her page for good deals. So what I purchased was some little eyeshadow palettes, which I thought would be awesome for my little girl for a holiday. So this is my actual purchase, but yet she sent that. Okay, so what a lovely lady. We've got a lovely handmade thank you card there. So these are what I ordered. I don't know an awful lot about Oriflame. I ordered these as my first purchase to see what it's like, because basically they were ridiculously reduced from something stupid like about £18 down to about 4 or 5. So I thought, ooh, I'll have some of those. So that one's really pretty. Let's have a look at this one. So I will be seeing what it's like. I did consider signing, you know, kind of doing it myself, Oriflame, but I don't know if I've got enough hours in the day, if I'm honest. So that's the second one. My Alexa will love these colours. Let's hope that the sun's in and out like a yo-yo today. So let's hope it doesn't completely bleach my video out. I'll try and be quick. So she sent me these, and then the rest of these are little extras. So here we've got, what have we got here? I will be giving them a try. Lifting Day Cream, Overnight Lifting and Contouring Cream, and that one is Lifting Concentrate Serum. So she sent me quite a few there. And here we've got a little shower cream. So that'll go in Alexia's little wash bag for her holidays. She'll like that. What are these? Foundation. Alright, so these are little foundation samples. So that's nice. I'll try those out and see how they feel on my skin. So that is my little order, and I can tell you that my order was under £10, and she still sent me some, you know, little goodies and a little, you know, and it's still, and that's a sign of a good business person, where no matter how small or how large your order is, you treat everybody the same. So that's really good business practice. And she also sent me some catalogues. I'm assuming that they must do like campaigns where there's regular catalogues rather than like an annual one. So she sent me campaign 10 and 11, so I'll have a good look at those. But I will say, you know, I do keep a sharp eye on Leslie's Facebook group for all the offers. So do go on over, especially if, well, I don't know, as I say, I don't know heaps about Oriflame, so I would imagine it's UK only. But go on over and have a look, and go on over and join a group, or like her page, or, you know, whatever it is. And when you can, please do support ladies like Leslie, who, you know, run small businesses from home. You know, because there's a lot of work goes into these small businesses, a lot of thought, and the customer service that you're going to get from somebody with a small home-based business is going to be second to none. So there you go. Right, I'll leave that with you. The links will be in the description box below. Go and show Leslie some support, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.